Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create 2024 photo collage on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to launch my Instagram application and then I'm going to create an Instagram story. So I'm going to click on your story right here and then we can select 2024 collage. Okay, then you can choose photos from your gallery you want to make as a photo collage. And I'm going to select photos from one of my album in my gallery. I'm going to select photos from this folder guys. And I'm just going to pick random photos from this album or this folder. Yeah, you can choose the photos as many as you like. Okay, like this. Once you're done choosing the photos, you can click on next and Instagram will create 2024 photo collage for us. Okay, and this is the result guys, and you'll be able to add music, sticker or text to your collage before you post it to your Instagram. I'm going to add music to make it more captivating. For the music, I'm just going to choose the recommended music from Instagram. For instance, I'm going to select this one. Okay, I'm going to click on done. And now the music has been added to my Instagram story. And you'll be able to rearrange the photos as well. If you want to move the photo, you just need to tap and hold on the photo like this. And you can rearrange the photo if you're not satisfied with the result. You'll be able to change the frame as well. Just click the photo to change the frame like this, for example. You'll be able to apply frame that you like. Okay, like this. You can customize it guys according to your needs. And once you're ready to share the photos to your Instagram, you just need to click on your story and then the 2024 photo collage will be shared to your Instagram story. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create 2024 photo collage on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.